All right, it is almost dinner time, and we are going to Sabor tonight for dinner. Thought we'd come by here real quickly, take a look at the menu. So what do you think, baby?
Sorry.
What do you think? All right, so you get some chips, some pico, some fresh guacamole. As you can see, Tiffany is already completely enjoying that. All right, so we have just finished dinner in Sabor.
That was awesome.
Yeah, it was really, really, really good. Now, I started to take pictures of dinner. I really did. And then the food kept coming and it was going in my mouth. And I was 3 courses in before I remembered to take any more pictures. So sorry about that.
You'll get a nice picture of the appetizer.
Yeah, I got a nice picture of the appetizer for you guys. So you're just going to have to kind of take my word that it was really, really delicious.
Yes.
It was good. Highly, highly recommended it. And, you know, they walk around on the first day asking if you want to go to specialty restaurants. They have little tables set up. And we were planning on trying it anyway. So we went ahead and stopped. They set us up, got us to reservation, and it was buy one, get one free. So basically it was half off.
Yeah, and that's $39.99 per person normally.
Yeah, that's what they charged us, and worth every penny. It was delicious. But now we're up here in the main theater, and we have a comedy show. Should start here in about 20 minutes or so. You know how shows are on board the ships, though. Probably can't do any recording, but we'll see what they say once the show gets ready to start. But we're gonna do the comedy show. Then there's a game show, and we'll kind of play it from there. It's been a long day already.
Yes.
And after eating so much good food, my pillow is calling me ever so slightly.
Yes.
So, but let's check out some comedy.
Everybody, my name's Katie. I'm your cruise director, and it's my absolute pleasure to have you here tonight in the Platinum Theatre. We're on vacation. Who's excited? I saw you this morning. I saw you on the gangway with your luggage, dragging the suitcases. 2, 3, 4 suitcases just full of shoes. That's the ladies I'm talking about. And then the men, 1 little backpack. 2 pairs of socks, 2 pairs of pants, good to go. I don't know how you do it, men, I don't. But we got a lot of fun stuff coming up this cruise, and for the next 7 days, you've got absolutely nothing you need to worry about. The next 7 days, you're just gonna sit back, relax, because for the next 7 days, there's no more cooking. For the next 7 days, there's no more cleaning. Do you have any kids out there? For the next 7 days, no more school. Alright, and And for the adults out there, this is the best one yet. For the next 7 days, there's no more work. Oh yes, for the next 7 days, you've got nothing you need to worry about. Sit back, relax. That joins us here on stage. He is absolutely one of Royal Caribbean's favourites, and we're very lucky to have him here. Coming to you from Boston. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for your comedian tonight. It's Greg Murphy!
Director, everybody. Katie, your cruise director. How you guys doing today? Everybody moved in? Got your stuff all situated? Did you figure out your neighborhood? Do you know your neighbors? Do you have the people that hung up signs on their doors so you know their names when their birthday is this week? You guys love to decorate the doors.
Some people say Cancun, Las Vegas, Italy, Venice. Only 3 groups. Many people said Hawaii, but it's not the majority. I'm so sorry. Cruise. Who said cruise? Cruise. Group number 6. You are in honeymoon? Yeah? Oh, okay. Paris! Paris! Who said Paris? 89 people in the lounge.
Alright, so we're playing Majority Rules. It's a game we're playing here in the Star Lounge. I'm sure y'all seen already. Tiffany has to run from way back here all the way up to the front of the stage. You gotta write your answer down, and then you gotta run it up there so they can count all the answers. So Tiffany's definitely getting all her steps in.
Vibrate. No. Come on. Where is group number 19? Group number 19, número 19. Number 19. You are shy to show your hand? Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. But it's not only one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really interesting answers. What's your sign? Zodiacal sign. Only one group. But now let me know, where is the group who said, do you have a mirror in your pants? Because I can see myself on that. Let me remember you again. I'm here just to read the paper. Okay? I'm here just to read the paper. Really interesting answers. Are you gay?
You have my answers. I've never heard that. This is very true.
Can I buy you a drink? Really nice. Can I buy you a drink? It's okay, but you're only one. Mamma mia. Are you gay again? Come here often? Yes. Still September, I'm gonna be here. Have we met before? This is classic. Have we met before? What is not the most of them? How are you doing? How are you doing? 3 groups? 5 groups? Heaven is missing an angel. 4 groups. But it's not the majority. the majority answer, the groups who gonna get the point is tan 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 tan. This one? Yeah, because some letters is looks like Arabic. This one is okay. I'm kidding, my letter is not so beautiful. Here we go. The answer is, did I hurt when you fell from the heaven? But I think this is
All right, good evening, everybody. It is the end of day one, embarkation day, and we're tired. We're definitely tired, but we had a lot of fun. After dinner, we went to, so after dinner, we went up to the theater. We saw the comedian, but they actually had like a little band play before the comedian. Then they did this
Aerial acrobatics.
aerial acrobatic show. It was actually pretty cool. Both of those two acrobatics just,
I was holding my breath.
yeah, I know, that was crazy. Strong, very, very strong to hold on in some of the things they did. The comedian came on. He was funny. Definitely got a few laughs. Then we went up to the game show. What's the name of the game show again?
Majority rules.
Majority rules. Our team did not rule.
We started off good.
Yeah, we started off good. Then after that, it was kind of downhill, but it was fun to play. And after that, we are back in our room. It's a little after 10 o'clock. Pretty good for a first day. Now, our room steward, I'll tell you, he's already earned himself a little extra tip. He went and pillow topped the heck out of our bed for us. It is way, way more comfortable than it was earlier. And he said, don't worry, I'm going to make it comfortable for y'all. And he did. Extra tip coming his way. Well earned.
Yes.
But we're going to shut it down, get ready to get some sleep for the day, get cleaned up. Tomorrow is going to be a sea day. Lots of stuff going on around the ship. There's lots of trivia, games, other stuff like that going on. We're just going to kind of see what we can find, what we can get into, and what we can come up with for tomorrow. But for now, we're going to get some sleep. So thank you, everybody, for joining us today. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys enjoyed anything. If you have any questions, anything like that, please leave them in the comments for us. We will definitely get to answering every single question, unless it's a crazy question. Yeah. Anyway, whole other story. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day.
And we'll see you out on the high seas.